Mama!
Stay close.
Where are you
What?
going? This guy said stay close.
Bro, where you going, bro? Stay close. You run fast as hell, Timmy.
Wait.
Bro,
Monique.
what? Oh, there's fire.
What is this place?
Lava.
Yo, I'm scared.
What is that?
Whoa! Demons!
Oh my god. Where's my cross? Where's my cross? Where's my cross?
Can I take off my golden armor now?
I'm not collecting no fucking armor from these bitches.
I am.
I don't have space.
I'm gonna just wear my armor. You're not collecting armor?
Nah. I'm full.
Okay.
I'll collect one piece of armor.
Anyway.
And then, now I'm full.
Shit, scary as hell, bro.
My crucifix are staying out. Oh, collect this one here.
Yo, what is this magma?
Here, if you want to get extra, here you go. Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Yeah. Oh, he killed that one. I'm just gonna grab extra so you can pick it up. I don't know how much you have on you.
I can't, I think that's enough.
Okay.
I'll just keep whatever, yeah, I'll just keep that one.
Wait, where'd you go? This way? We're like deep. We're in hell. What the fuck?
Literally in hell. Yo, Timmy.
He waited for us. Thank you so kindly.
Oh!
Yo, you almost killed yourself. I wasn't gonna save you.
Yo, this guy needs
Oh,
to...
Finn.
Yo! We're tight in here, bro. God damn!
Like, how are you running through them? Like, oh, there's more demons. Okay, yo, Timmy got aim.
He's a mutant after all.
We're not fitting in here.
That one has a pussy.
There's more. A lot more. A lot more. Whoa. Oh, you're Timmy. Sorry, I thought you were Angie.
Yo,
They're all
thank
dead
you, bro.
now. So where is he? Oh, he's right there. Oh, we're walking now? Oh, no. Okay, Scatterbrain. Fuck, you're running real close to the lava. We're not like you, Timmy.
Yeah, bro, we're like mortal.
Very. Oh, shit. Oh.
Bitch!
Bro, made me think we have to fucking jump. My god, Timmy's so
Yo.
scatter. Whoa. Shit, we're behind you, Timmy.
He's trying to formulate. He's like, okay, if I go this way, I won't die. La 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 la.
Bitch, what about us?
Look at them.
Who's them?
These people. Yo.
I don't see people. I'm not gonna
They're,
hold you.
no, they're not people. They're skeletons,
Oh, okay.
and they're like golden.
This looks old.
A nigga stopped to look. A nigga stopped to look and say, "This looks old."
Bitch.
Nigga, they're dead. They're bones. It's gonna be old. I don't know how the wood is staying up.
That's what I'm saying. Physics is not physics.
Physics is out there. Ooh, careful.
Oh lord.
I will say our stamina goes down much slower. That just said. Fuck ass. Ooh.
Milk.
Is he running?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're good. I'll be my guest, Timmy. We don't know where we're going.
He's stuck. Maybe if we chop him up, he can move. You big, Timmy, that's what. For technical difficulties. This time it's not us. It's just him. Where'd I burn them? Oh yeah, burn them. What the whole fucking grenade at them? They're built like raw chicken wings. They're built like raw chicken wings, that's all I can say. Yeah, maybe we should make their bodies more flimsy. Fuck you, Timmy. You broke bitch. Hey, do you want me to save and reload? Maybe he'll... Yeah, let's make a save right here.
Oh, there he goes. Fucking bitch.
When I wanted
We'll
to
still
go,
make
I
a save.
closed.
Oh, I was gonna say we can still make a save if you want to. Cause there's no way Maz. Cause I'm not risking it. After what I just seen, Maz getting. Where'd he go? Save. Okay, let me get my cross back out.
I mean, I don't want to call him Talon. Timmy.
Talon gives Timmy sometimes though. Wait, where'd Timmy go? Oh, maybe down here. Maybe this way?
Why are they golden?
Oh, that's what you're talking about. Timmy. Timmy Tough Knuckles. I will say, with this armor, the armor's not taking... Where the fuck is Timmy? Like you said, keep. Oh. Keep it pushing. Yep, just keep it pushing. There's one behind you. Two behind you.
Timmy.
There's like a whole bunch behind us, by the way.
Ciao.
You missed. You take too long to reload. You get a little back kick. start using my fucking thingy. Where are they? Let's go. Timmy's on the run.
Where'd Timmy go?
What happened?
He's right here. Grab. Let's go, Timmy. Oh, Timmy's already running. Wait, it's not lava. It's fucking gold. It looks like gold.
Are you
Less than
sure?
lava.
This looks like magma. Good lord!
Where's Timmy? Oh, Timmy's down there. He's fighting the boss!
Us-
Timmy's dead. Where'd it go?
It's on the ceiling. Back up, Monique.
Oh, fuck, it missed. Oh, it missed again. Whoa! Oh, fuck you, bitch. God, you fat fuck. Where's Timmy? Oh my god.
Oh, you're big.
You need to put
Really
on your
big.
golden armor.
Fuck that.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Okay. Heal up.
I am. Where is it? I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
Yo, I'm right here. Come attack me. Look. Look at me. Yeah, baby boy. That's what I'm saying.
Wait. I found Timmy.
Oh, Monique's coming back.
Oh, we can't go through until we kill it. Timmy's alive, though. Oh, he's coming for me again. If you want, go near Timmy and then put on your golden armor. Oh, fuck me, bro. Okay, he's on the ceiling again. What are we supposed to do? Oh, he's coming for me. Oh, I need grenade. Where's the grenade? Back up.
back up when I'm. Monique, revive me.
Oh shit. Where are you?
Dead?
Ain't no fucking way. I just killed it once. Do you still have your stuff?
Breaking out currently.
Do you still have your stuff or no?
I don't know. Hold on.
Oh,
I'm
you're
breaking out of
break.
a cocoon.
Sorry, I thought you said I'm breaking up.
Breaking out of a fucking cocoon.
Well, let me find your
Yes.
bag.
I have my bag.
Okay. Well, it's dead.
The fuck?
I couldn't even. Well, how come? Did you press respawn or no?
I didn't even get the chance to fucking press respawn.
That's crazy.
It killed me. Something already killed me.
Oh, that's not even fair. I was literally about to come revive you too. As soon as I was about to press E on your body, it said bye bye.
This girl said, "Watch out, bitch! I'm on the ground. I couldn't even get up."
Well, it's dead, and it looks ugly. Looks like a.
Okay, I'm coming.
It looks like a mega Brit. It looks like a mega uncooked chicken wing. Like the, you know the.
I know. Yes, the
Yuck.
banana.
Yuck.
Later.
Oh my
Nice.
god, that is so great. Do you have all your stuff though?
Yeah, I have everything.
Okay, good.
How many times am I gonna have to say later? Like. my
Also,
days.
Tami's just in a corner.
Yeah, I'm running down.
I see your name. Like, why couldn't this electricity help us?
Fuck away from me. I'm getting shit.
Okay.
Okay, where is his dead body?
It's right in front of me. Hold on, though.
This is lava. This is molten.
I just made some extra sticky bombs. Oh, it's right here. Who's bent over for you?
Oh, we can raid it. Okay, wait, let's get it.
Okay, 3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Can't even carry it.
3 creepy armor.
I can't even carry it. I don't even know where it fell. Oh, we carved out its whole stomach area, bro.
Look at the way it's like.
I know.
Okay, let's go.
Drink.
I feel like I should wear my golden armor, but I don't know.
Yeah. Keep it on, because for me, all I was doing was taking health, and the armor's fine. Meds. Fucking meds. Ammo. Hella ammo! Hella fucking ammo!
I'm coming.
C4, arrows, bombs, grenade. Bare ammo. Hold on, Marcus keeps like knocking on the door. 2 seconds. Never seen that. And I just finished making C4.
Amazing.
Okay, let's go. Let's go find Tim Tim.
Oh.
Oh. Exit? Question mark?
Keep your friends close. Whoa.
It's time.
What? What time?
No.
Calvin, get over here. Monique.
I know I saw.
15, 14, 13, 12.
What?
12.
What's happening? Boom boom! Boom boom!
3, 2, 1. Whoa, where are we?
Whoa.
Ah!
Look at Calvin.
I've seen this before. I saw it in a dream.
Huh? Are those the thingy list? The religious people? Yeah.
The cultists. What the hell, Leonte, is that?
His arm. What's happening? Okay. What's happening?
Ooh.
This
Timmy!
was supposed to fix me. It's making me worse.
Wait. Virginia.
Oh no.
Virginia, no.
No! She
Wait.
did!
Wait.
What's happening?
Wait.
What the harabamba clout is that? Hello?
Timmy's dead.
No?
Timmy just died.
What did you see? What did you see?
Hell
What was
no.
in the cube?
Damn!
What was in the...
We're fighting?
Oh, I guess so. Oh fuck! I can't do shit against a fucking helicopter. What the fuck? Ah! I'm so sorry, guys. Ow! It's always me. Wait! You know where this is? This is the freaking dock. Let me get some C4. Okay, that's one C4. Two C4. Oh shit, where'd you go from? Bro, I'm gonna die.
Oh,
I'm gonna
Lord.
die. I'm about to die.
What?
Pop them pills real quick.
I know you ain't popping that shit out of my fucking face, fucking bitch ass.
Oh wait, why don't we just run into the fucking water? Damn it, just throw a rock at your ass. Ow! Damn. Okay, wait. I need grenade. I'm coming. Barely, but...
Girl, I'm fine. I needed that. You're dead? Already? Damn hoe.
Y'all just dashing bombs. Yo, just dashing it. Are we saved? Or are we getting kidnapped and being confined? Because how do they know we're here?
Father!
You made it.
Oh,
You're okay. Oh god, they're coming.
Oh, they're here to help. You back up. Eh?
They're getting closer. We have to
My
leave.
backpack! No!
Quick, get in.
Wait, my bag!
What is that?
Oh, we didn't have all the pieces.
Where's my backpack?
Don't touch it.
Wait.
It wants you to stay. Don't listen to it.
But I didn't get all the pieces.
It's okay, it's okay. We can come back to this. We can come back to this.
Come on, get back here.
Oh, whoa. Wait. I'm scared to go into my backpack. What are our other options? Oh, shit. It's stay or leave. Retrieve your backpack, it says. We're in a pickle. We have nothing.
Girl, let's go. What the fuck?
I don't even have a katana. Ah.
My katana on me.
Lucky bitch.
Okay, I guess we're going.
They're getting closer. We have to leave now.
I feel like we should have stayed.
Virginia! Yo!
Wait, why can't I get in? Oh shit, Timmy just fell out. Now run me a black.
I have a shotgun. Bitch is hanging out. Bitch is hanging.
Yeah.
Someone help me, please.
Oh shit, help me in.
Let me in.
Oh shit, it's hanging on my foot. Get the fuck off. Get the fuck off me, bitch.
Yo, we're crashing.
Yo, we're falling. Oh, we're dead.
No, we're fucking. Oh, I'm in the. I'm in the helicopter. Excuse. How did you even get up, bro?
Let go, please. I'm sick of being on this island.
Wow.
Wait, we're going down. We're crashing.
Oh my god, girl, I'm somewhere else. Way ahead of you.
Oh, you're way ahead. Okay, that's fine.
I'm in a cutscene right now.
Yeah, ramming his hand into that bitch. Okay. Okay, the helicopter part's over for me.
Solo fight.
Sons of the Forest.
Brain injury ward. Timmy! I mean Timmy! Kelvin! Hey, Kelvin!
It's getting worse. Look at me. Look at what I'm turning into.
I'm at the part where it's
I need
Timmy.
your help.
He's asking for help.
I've told you I
Kelvin.
can't help you.
And what about with this?
Yeah, Kelvin is a little mosh up.
Solo fight. Where did you get this?
Aw, I love Kelvin.
Why did
Yeah,
he say, where did you get this about the solo fight?
I guess maybe solo fight is a rare item, perhaps.
Maybe. Oh, brain injury ward. Okay, now.
I'm with Virginia now.
No way they put
Virginia's-
this man in fucking polka dot freaking pajamas in a fucking house.
Yeah, he's
That's where he's
brain,
at.
like,
Oh wait, is
5
he
months
building?
later.
Is he building our house? Kevin, it's okay.
Are we living on the island?
I hope so.
Okay, I'm with Virginia right now.
Okay, wait, don't spoil that part yet.
Okay.
Oh my god, you know he just signed thank you.
Yeah. He can't speak.
No, I didn't know he knew sign language. That's what I meant.
Good grace.
I'm never helping him build a house.
Good lord. Oh, good lord.
Virginia, are you okay?
You're gonna be like on the next part, dude. You're gonna be like, oh.
Was she pregnant? She giving birth? Don't tell me. Shut up. Don't even tell me. 5 months later. Nigga, way. I mean, nigga, why?
I thought we were driving.
A push! Oh, we're loading! Hey, yo! Thumbs.
And we adopted Kelvin, apparently.
And she's wearing the dress we gave her, too.
Yeah.
That's a good girl.
Oh, this. Timmy LeBlanc discovers a miracle cure using sulfite.
Oh, you're
Absolute
pregnant.
masterpiece of a game. This game was amazing.
Right?
Timmy LeBlanc starts new charity to cure diseases using sulfite.
Okay, wait.
That's
Let me
why
get to that
I guess,
part.
like,
Let me get to that part, girl.
it's in the end credits. In the end credits.
Oh, okay, okay.
Absolutely fucking amazing.
Okay, you're driving one-handed, just like this.
I thought he was gonna drive off a cliff. Low
Kill off. Oh, Timmy's in the back.
Timmy LeBlanc. Freaking Kelvin is our child, apparently.
I mean, Kelvin's in the back, not Timmy.
Damn. Okay.